technology exists all around us, that breathes and breeds life, that makes food and rain, that protects us from floods and new disease. It is a technology with the power to reverse global warming, to prevent pandemics, to bring life back from the brink of extinction. It has existed for 4 billion years. It is the wild. Though the wild is powerful, we have pushed it to a breaking point, destroying it faster than it can recover. We don't need to reinvent the planet. We just need to rewild it. Protect what's still wild and restore the rest. We're starting with a commitment to rewild the Galapagos, to recover the pink iguana, the Floriana giant tortoise, and the Floriana mockingbird from the edge of extinction. To ensure the people of the Galapagos thrive with the wild. To protect hammerhead sharks and 3,000 other marine species. To rewild the wonder of the Galapagos from ridge to reef. This is just the beginning. Join the movement.